So this is going to be a very interesting video because if you are a short form creator, you know the pain why most creators fail. The reason is consistency. Making 3 to 5 videos every week means you have to write script, do the editing, create thumbnails, write caption for it, then post it. That's hours of work for just single video. But now AI agents can automate almost this entire pipeline. You just have to give one topic and the system writes the script, generates the video, create caption and post it automatically, and even you can track performance with it. Let me show you how this complete AI pipeline works and how you can create exactly for you. So we are going to use short things, so it will help us to write script, edit the video, caption, post, and you can view the analytics as well. So now let me show you how you can do it. So first of all you need to do is just head over to shortthing.io. I will put link of this platform in description box below. And once you are on this shortthing platform, all you have to do is create your account by using Google or Apple account, whichever you are using. And once you are on this page, you will see this kind of interface. Hire your next agent. You will get some pre-built AI teammates that plug into your project in second. You just have to pick a template, drop it into a project and start working alongside. You can connect your tools, drafting in your voice, reporting back on schedule. So now you can see, if we see the popular this week is social media automation, then the editor's pick is lead generation and outreach draft. But we are going to focus on short form video pipeline. This is the skill you can see here. We will just click on this and now it says add to which project. So let me just add it to my project here, and now you can see added short form video pipeline. So we have added our agent here. Now we can start using it. So I already connected my social media platforms here, Instagram and Twitter. But if you don't already have connected, just click on this button and you can search for which account you want to connect. You want to connect Gmail, HubSpot, LinkedIn, Slack, Notion, Stripe, Google Ads. For example, if you want to connect Twitter, just click on the connect button. Let me show you. I will disconnect this first. And now let's say we will go to Twitter here, just click on this connect button, and now you can see it says connecting Twitter. All you have to do is just authorize this and your Twitter account will be connected with. I will just click on this authorize app button, and now you can see our account is successfully connected with shorting. And if you go back, you can see right here our account is now connected here. It shows Twitter and the Instagram both. Now let's start creating it. First let me show you how you can create a script for it. So I already have a blog post here. If you go to the OpenAI news, so this is the latest news from May 18. So I will just open this and I will copy this blog link and head over to short thing back. So I will just paste this blog post link and I will say create a 10-second video script for this. So I just told it to create a 10-second video script for this. This is the article about OpenAI and Dell Technologies are collaborating to help more enterprise deploy codecs in their environments. So I just told it to give me a script on this, which is about 10 seconds long. And next part, we're also going to create a video using VO3. It's already inbuilt in this platform. You can access VO3 from here. Now, first of all, it's creating the prompt for us. I mean the script for us. So now let's wait here for about a couple of seconds to minutes. Now, as you can see here, our script is ready. This is our script. OpenAI just brought AI coding agents inside the enterprise and we have the complete script ready here. Now you can see we also have thumbnail concept, dark, data center, static, blue, white, gradient, light, and we have text overlay, subtext, and then we have the publish detail with the title, description, hashtag. So now if we approve this to generate video with VO3, it will automatically post to Facebook Reels, YouTube Short, or whichever platform we have connected. So what I will do is I will just approve this script. So I will just say approved. Now create a Instagram Reel using VO 3.1 for this. So it will create a complete entire video for this script. So this was our script. I already shown you here. Dell and OpenAI are teaming up for codecs, run your own servers, private data, full control, production ready. This is how Fortune 500 ship AI at scale. So now currently it's making the video for us. So once the video is ready, I will show you. So now as you can see, it says reel is live on our account. It's a 8-second video, VO 3.1, reel 9:16, audio on. And if we go to the Instagram to see, here is our Instagram reel. If you can see, the dark gradient blue background, text and the audio, everything works fine here. Even it includes the Dell logo here. We can also make some changes if you want. If you want some another style, you can attach some reference videos and it can create videos like this too. You can also create longer videos if you want. Like there is a GitHub repo link if you want more advanced launch videos as well. Let me show you which was that. So to do is just head over to this link, github.com/agent/com hyperframes. I will put this in description box below so you can easily check it out. And if you want to create more advanced video, just copy this link and head over to show thing, and you can just paste this link and say that use this and create a launch video. You can just write this, use this and create a launch video for iPhone, create a launch video for any product you are making. I will also attach reference how it looks like when you create videos using this GitHub repo, so you can check that out in description box below. I have attached a tweet link where a user created using this, so you can check that out. Now what I'm going to do is I will say now also create an Instagram post for this with image and caption both that I can post directly, and I will just send this. So now I ask it to create an Instagram post. I mean the image and the title that I can just post directly on my Instagram page. It's currently have only one video here. You can see this was our video that we created, and if you notice it also automatically included the title. You can see OpenAI just put AI coding agents inside the enterprise, even with the hashtag, so it can automatically post too because we have connected our Instagram here. It's so easy to connect as I showed you before. There are other agents available. I'm explaining all of these agents in one by one with one video. Like in last video I told you about social media automation, so this video is about how you can like automate your content pipeline, short form video content line, and in the next upcoming videos I will tell you about other tools as well. After you know all these agents, you can like automate 99% your business using this tool, because you can create videos, you can generate leads using this tool, you can also like post it directly, it can create video for you, it can even create ads for you if you use your some creativity. So next videos are coming to be a more interesting, because if I will put all of these videos in a playlist, so you can learn all of these agent how they work in one single playlist, so you can learn this and automate your entire business with this. Now let's wait for it to create. So it says processing, setting up the task, so it will take a minute to create an image for us, and I think it's almost done. So here's the image generated. So here you can see it also created the OpenAI made coding, the complete Instagram post here that we clicked on post, so it automatically posted on Instagram as well. And if you want to see the image, I already downloaded the image. Let me just show you how it looks like. So this is the image AI agents, your servers, Dell Technologies and OpenAI. It automatically added the OpenAI and Dell logo as you can see here. So it's pretty much easy to do. You can see all of the requests. Here's the image generated. You also get a image link. If you copy this image link, you can download it instantly too. Just open it in a new tab and just click enter, and your image is downloaded. Here you can see if you want to make some changes, you can tell it to make some changes for you, and you can make changes easily. So this is how you can automate anything from this platform. You can connect more connectors, as I told you, that Slack, LinkedIn, if you want to post this on every platform. Like if you have LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you can post on your all platforms together at one single time. You can also connect like tools with agent mail, and we have the agency zoom, and we have lots of other tools available. All images AI, you can search for a specific tool if you want. Like if you want to connect it with Canva or Telegram, you can see you can connect it to, like if you want to connect Telegram for example, just click on this connect button and you can connect the platform easily. So this is how you can connect by a bot token. Like just enter your bot token and you can connect it here, and from that you can prompt it, so that you can use this agent. So I hope you like this, and if you want to learn social media automation, I will put link in description box so you can learn that too. And I will be making some more videos on this platform so you can watch it, and I will put all of these videos in a playlist so you can learn and faster, and you can automate your entire business. And if you share this platform with your friend, you will earn up to 500 credits for each invite. Here you can see. That's all for today's video. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.